First step, install the single latch. Adjust the latch backset to fit the door dimensions. Insert the latch into the door hole and fasten the screws. Step 2. Install the knob. Install the front knob. Connect the cable. Install the rear knob. Step 3. Install the battery. Take out the battery cover. Insert the battery correctly. Fasten the screws. Step 4. Unlock the K01. Use fingerprints. Use key. Download the Geek Smart app. Register and log in with your email address. Add the K01 to your device. Add your fingerprint from the K01. Try different angles to improve the success rate of recognition. Delete your fingerprint from the K01.